Due to a front collision, the collapsible steering column warning light came on. So I pull the steering column apart. I remove the bottom column cover, 2 screws, and then just pull down on it, it pops out of place. Then you can lift the top cover up as well. And it's a matter of getting to some screws. You see a 10mm head screw there, and one on the opposite side. Then underneath there's a pair and back. I remove those, I believe the column will drop. So I got the 4 bolts out, a 10mm ratchet. Once the bolts are out, the thing stays in place until you pull on the steering wheel, and all of a sudden she pulls out. I believe that's the cover I need removed to get to the sensor. So with a T25 Torx bit, you can get in here and remove these screws. So I remove 4 screws, T25 Torx bit, and the plate comes out. And there's that sensor I believe I need to have rebuilt or replaced. Flip the plate off, thing just pulls right up. And then let's figure out how it couples. Okay. Squeeze those black tabs in and it pops out. Okay. So there it is. These are the collapsing steering column. I don't know if they're sensors or what they're actually referred to as, but so this one has never been discharged. This one has never been activated. This came on my parts MKX. And this is the one that was throwing a code because it had been in a crash. So as you can see, this little plastic button extended out. And then there would be this steel nub hanging out the bottom, but then that gets pushed up or retracted when it explodes. They can be sent off to companies that will rebuild them. They put a explosive charge in here is the main thing, I believe. But since I already had the parts MKX, it took me maybe 20 minutes to get this out. It helped to have experience from taking the first one apart. But, that's that.